The keyhole saw has thin, short blades. They can be used for curved cuts or cutouts. They are often used for tasks like making holes for outlet boxes in walls. You can also work on vertical surfaces. The keyhole push saw blade is designed opposite to that of the pull saw so that the sawdust falls inside the wall. The force is applied while pushing. Draw the desired shape on the material. Make a hole inside the outline for the blade. While the tip of the saw can be used to make this hole, it's easier using a drill or an awl. Insert the blade into the hole and follow the drawn line.